Mr. Rogers dedicated his life to trying to help people understand that it's all right to be sad, it's all right to be confused. There are grown-ups out there who are going to help you through the growing up process. This was his mission in life.
Greatest thing he did to everyone was to listen, and that was the foundation of everything he did. Genius.
I love the way that Tom chose to imbibe him, and he's put his own stamp on it. He's a legend for a reason, and he just knows how to play characters.
There's something about the warmth, the goodness we feel when we see him. There are very few actors who have that, and I think he's the only one who could have played this part.
What can I say? This is an amazing day.
I'm just happy that it's causing this kind of stir.
Won't you please won't you be my neighbor?